Your soul is always trying to guide you toward healing, joy, and a life with deeper meaning. This channel offers you sacred tarot messages to reconnect with that wisdom and gently reveal what your soul truly wants for you right now. But aligning with your soul isn't always easy. We often get caught in fear, doubt, or the voice of the ego, and that can make us feel lost or disconnected from who we truly are. That's the heart of every guidance I offer. My readings are, above all, here to reconnect you to your soul, to what it truly longs for you to experience. Because when we live in alignment with our soul, life becomes simpler, smoother, more joyful, and also more abundant in every sense of the word. I'm from Switzerland, and I worked for many years as an emergency physician in a major university hospital here. In 2009, I chose to leave medicine and retreat to the Swiss mountains, close to nature and silence. A year later, in 2010, I founded the Swiss Feng Shui Institute to help people restore harmony in their homes and living spaces. And slowly, my path turned inward toward the soul. Since then, I've devoted my life to spiritual healing, to listening deeply to signs, synchronicities, and inner guidance. For more than 20 years, I've studied spirituality, the soul's journey, and the nature of miracles. Each one of us carries within a sacred wisdom waiting to be heard. In my readings, I work with 2 tarot decks and 1 oracle card. Each message is created for a specific zodiac sign every 2 months to give your soul the time and space to fully absorb the guidance. I share with you what your soul is calling for most right now, the keys to help you move forward, your current challenges, the hidden gifts behind those challenges, and insights into your emotional, professional, and financial life. And sometimes, depending on the energy of the reading, I recommend 1 or 2 audiobooks to support your journey. They're books I've personally listened to, sometimes many times, and I suggest the audio format because it fits beautifully into daily life, in the car, while walking, or simply resting. So, if this path speaks to you, if you feel it's time to live differently, to listen to the quiet voice that's been whispering within you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Tarot has been with me since I was a teenager, and what I share in each video comes from something greater than myself. I read every comment with care, and your likes and shares truly mean a lot to me. They help this channel grow and bring this soul-led guidance to those who need it most. I'm sending you all my love, and I'll see you very soon in your next guidance.